Hello, everybody. Peter Gator here, back again with another token review. Now, today is not an under $1 million market cap. Might seem like it after we go through it and where it sits right now. But the product we're going to cover today is Shido. And they're comparing this to some of the other majors that are out there. And I'm pretty excited about it. I just learned about it today. Went and looked at it and said, wait a minute, we've got to bring this to our community. But before we do that, you know what I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, not any type of financial advice that I'm giving here. What I'm doing is giving you an overview of the project. So instead of you having to go search through tens of thousands of tokens online, we bring you a few of them that then you can go do your own research and figure it out. So if you do end up liking this video and you want to help us out, because we do not get paid from these projects in any form or fashion, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you can ring the bell so you get notified on the next video that we do. Shido right now is at 0.006373. We can see that just recently it popped up into the 7.5 range. I got to tell you, I think I might actually be filling my bags a little bit more right now with Shido. We can see that it's on the Ethereum chain. It's up 129% on the day of us filming this. And we can go down here and look and find out that it is available on MEXC. It's also available on Uniswap, OpenOcean, and then I guess it's Finexbox. I've never heard of that exchange, but it is available on them. But I guess the main centralized exchange is MEXC that it's available on. All right. So let's go down here and look real quick at the fully diluted market cap, 82 million. So if we look at it, the good portion of these tokens are in distribution already. Looks like what, about 60%, 65% of the tokens are in distribution. I don't think you're going to get hit by a bunch of new tokens being issued into the marketplace. So that's a good sign there. Let's jump over to X, Twitter. Building an infinitely scalable L1 POS, so proof of stake, in the interoperable Cosmos, leveraging EVMs, WASMs, and IBCs. If you don't know the Cosm blockchain in its ecosystem, guys, I would definitely check it out. The token is Atom, and there's a lot of stuff going on with airdrops and all kinds of stuff. We're going to start covering some of those here on the channel. All right, we can see they have 167.6 thousand followers. That is definitely a good amount of followers. We can go down and we can start to read about it. Shido Network, mainnet, completion coming in January. Wow. Okay, so it's already running and their mainnet is coming very soon. So right now it has been in the test net mode. That's why it's on the Ethereum chain. Eventually it'll be available on its own chain when they launch it. We're actually going to look at some statistics on how fast the chain will actually be, and it's pretty fast. Okay, Shido Network features: gasless function, burn mechanism, basically deflationary, 1 second time to finality, EVM, WASM compiler, IBC protocol, and much, much more. So I'm sure we could go through and find partnerships, different projects that they're working on, all kinds of information from here on X. But I'm going to leave that for you to do yourself. What we're going to do is jump on over to the website. So you can see that I was looking at the statistics on this, and we can go over that like right now because it's super important. Less than a second in time and finality. So this is almost going to be instant, right? You do a transaction on it, boom, it is going to be completed and ready to go. 10,000 average TPS. Now, also, this is scalable to infinite. So I'm sure that as the way they've structured this and put it together, that this is just the beginning right there. Look at this transaction fee, less than a penny. So now you start talking about a chain that could run play to earn digital assets that you might be selling for a dime or 20 cents or 30 cents. Look, there's some great chains out there, but the fees are 14 cents, 12 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents. Those are still not low enough to do microtransactions. This fee right here is getting in that range. to be able to handle it. 3.3 billion staked Shido. Now I don't remember. Let's go back here real quick. I want to see the number here. There are basically 13 billion, okay? And look at this. 3.3 billion of those are staked. That's almost, what, 30% of all the tokens are staked right now. That's huge. Plus 1.1 million transactions. We've got 12 active validators. I would hope that they're going to increase that for decentralization purposes, but I don't know. I haven't read that in the plan. That's maybe something we will cover in a follow-up video. But check this out. 58 projects that are already building. I'm going to pull it up here, guys, because there's a name I believe everybody else, everyone here, everyone in the world just about is going to recognize. And that's the first project that comes up. Look at this. Amazon Web Services is the most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud, offering over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. What is AWS doing with Shido? That will be interesting to see. But look, that's just the beginning. There's a whole bunch of other projects here that are building on this chain. BNB, CoinGecko, Chainlink is working with them. Of course, Wasm, which is essentially smart contracts on the Cosmos that are modular, so it makes it easy for developers and for people to implement them on the network. So again, you can come down here, guys, extensive network already in place. But here's the key. Let's go back here. It is a $52 million market cap right now. I want to go over here. I pulled up another one, which is SEI, SEI. Okay, this is similar. They're comparing Shido with this project right here. Check out the market cap right now, $1.476 billion. We're talking about right now, if we go back over here, this is what, a 28x from there right now where it's sitting. 28 times if it just gets to where SEIA is right now. Remember, this is not financial advice. You do need to do your own homework so you can look at that. I was just looking at the comparison. A lot of times when I find projects, I'm like, look, what's the potential? I don't know. I can go look at similar type projects and compare the two together and see what comes out of it. Growing ecosystem. Check this out. Shido DeFi card. This is available right now, guys. If you want to use your crypto to shop and buy and then replace the crypto, you can do that. But here's a cool thing. We can go through and cover a lot of the features and the stuff there. I'll let you do that. This is the more important one. Non-KYC and KYC options. So look, non-KYC and KYC options are important to a lot of people, maybe different people, but they are important. So you can see right here, download the app for free, create a new wallet, issue a new card, and boom, you deposit some crypto and you're off and running and you're shopping, buying your coffee, buying your groceries, whatever it is. Now you can see down here that it's free subscription fee. Issuing fee is $5. And I'm sure that this is getting you your card, right? You've got $3 there issuing fee. I'm going to go through this process and we'll get this on a video so we can see. We're going to dig in and see how this card functions. Does it work everywhere? And then they have some other options. Exclusive Shido card types, $5 for your DeFi card Lite virtual, and it's available worldwide. DeFi card premium virtual, it's a $3 card. And then, of course, launching in November. I don't know if they mean this November or past November. We'll have to see if that was updated. But that is the card exclusive physical. All right. So you've got a couple virtual options, and then you've got a physical option right there. And we'll find out if they're shipping those and doing that. Of course, you can launch the app. They also are building a DEX that will have all kinds of tools on it for it. So Shido DEX is a decentralized DeFi aggregator, cross-chain swap, liquidity protocol, and perpetual DEX. It is already up and running, guys. You can go use this right now and test it out and try it. And they've already done a considerable amount of transactions. I did not go to look to see what type of liquidity the tokens have or whether pulling it from. You can also stake your Shido tokens and earn 8% APY. So that's great if you believe long-term in a project and you acquire the token. Why not stake them? Why not make additional tokens? That way, when it goes up in value, you're going to increase your bags, right? Your value there. I always recommend guys coming to the site, either going to someplace like CoinMarketCap or coming directly to the main site, which is shido.io. Okay, make sure you're on the right site and then go to the social medias, and they've got them all here, right? There is a whole list of them. So I'd recommend maybe joining their Discord, getting involved with the project and learning a lot about it. So that's the DEX. We've got their DeFi card, Shido Launchpad. Wow. Okay, guys. I mean, look, this is a Shido Launchpad is the next generation decentralized IDO platform on Shido Network and Ethereum Network. So they're going to be offering on both of those networks for you to be able to get involved in projects, offering premium project launches, token lockers. So projects that launch on it can lock their tokens, and then staking platforms. So if that token wants to offer staking, they can do it through the platform, as well as handling the airdrops for the project. So extensive, and these guys have a lot of stuff going. We could probably spend an hour going through the site, just going through each and every single aspect of it. We're going to leave that for you to do in your own research. We can come down here and say backed by the best. And of course, they have all the different companies that have invested and that have supported them and backed them in this journey for them to get to this point. So look, this could be one of the chains. There'll be the number one chain, and then there'll be smaller chains, the next level and the next level. And I believe a lot of those chains will be in the billions of dollars in market cap, some tens of billions, of course, some in hundreds of billions of dollars. Could Shido be one of those? Do your research, find out, and then let's do it together. So below, there's plenty of room for comments, right? Leave a comment on the project. If you know something about Shido, if you went through the test net, if you are able to give us any insight into the project, we would love that. If you are on the project and you work with the project and you'd like to get us some information, go ahead and send us a message or leave us a comment. We are looking forward to digging in. Of course, I do own the token. We don't do videos on tokens we do not believe in and that we do not hold, right? So we do hold the Shido token. Again, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you get notified on our next video. I want to say thank you for joining me and giving me your time today, and I look forward to presenting you with another video soon.